Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I made this authentic Jamaican rundown. And this is specifically saltfish rundown. You can cook it with salt mackerel. It would be the same steps. So let me show you how I made it. I know if you haven't tried this before, you're going to enjoy. I'm going to start off with a heated pan. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to let that heat up for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add some seasoning. Added some green onion, sweet pepper, tomato, onions, thyme, pimento, and scotch bonnet pepper. I will list these seasoning in the description down below. So once you add these in, you're gonna stir. You're gonna stir it and let it fry for about 5 minutes because you want all the flavors to really combine together, and it's really gonna make or break your dish. You need to let your vegetables and your aromatics fry. And then I'm going to add the saltfish. For the saltfish, guys, I did boil the saltfish about 3 times, 5 minutes each time, and then I washed it and drained it, and that should wash out most of the salt out of it, right? After that, fried for another 5 minutes, I'm gonna add 2 cups of coconut milk. You can add it from the coconut itself, blend it and get the juice, but I'm unable to find a coconut where I am, so I use the packet, the coconut milk. I use the Maggi brand, and that brand is a good brand to me. I love using it, so I'm gonna add 2 cups of that, and then I'm going to season the pot. For the seasoning, you don't want to add too much seasoning because you have some aromatics and you have the saltfish already in there, so you don't want to over salt your pot. So you're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose. It's best to add a low sodium all-purpose. I will leave a link in the description where you can buy a low sodium seasoning, and then I also have a code you can use, so that will be in the description down below. After that, you're gonna stir your pot, and your rundown should look something like this after about 10 to 15 minutes of boiling on medium heat. You want to boil the coconut milk for it to cook perfectly. And that's it. Quick and easy saltfish rundown. You can use salt mackerel. It would be the same steps as I said before. And you just taste your pot and, adjust the seasoning to your liking. Once again, guys, hope you guys subscribe, leave a like, and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.